Hey, Cohen here. We actually just docked here at the beautiful island of St. Thomas. Scenery here. Take a look at this boat, right? This ship has a freaking water slide that goes over the edge of the ship. Can you see that? Which cruise line do you think this is? Put it in the comments right there below. And then let me show you the other side of St. Thomas here. Super early in the morning, right? Super early in the morning. And I'm out here, I'm on the track. As you guys can see, this is the jogging track here. So I'm on a jogging track, working my way around, headed towards the gym before we rush off to go hit and see St. Thomas. Now, as I'm listening to the audience, the crowd, I hear most people, even yesterday, right? Last night as we were at dinner, most people saying, hey, I'm gonna skip my workout today. I'm gonna skip going to the gym. I'm heading straight off the boat and going out to enjoy the island. That's fine. But if you're somebody who says that they want more and who really wants more, you know that there's power in consistency. So one of the things that I suggest, right, is that, hey, you can enjoy both. Why not? You can still have a good time. You get up a little bit earlier, you get your workout on, you go hit the gym, and then you hit the island. You see, as you look and you see people that are doing things that you want to do, you see people that are successful at things, you see people that are just having a great time with life, and it seems like nothing goes wrong for them. Those people didn't just wake up in the morning one day and their life had changed, right? It was consistent, persistent action, even when you don't feel like doing it, doing the things that are going to consistently move you forward. So that's why I'm out right now. That's why I'm headed towards the gym before I go in and indulge in the luxuries of the beach and everything that the island has to offer. That's still going to be there for me. An hour from now, after I've gotten my workout in, it's still going to be there. But I'm going to feel great because I know that I've had the discipline to go in and hit the gym, even when all temptation tells me to go in and hit the beach first. So how do I get both of them accomplished? I wake up a little bit earlier. So while my family is sleeping now, right, or as they're getting ready and as they're getting prepared and showered up, and not only exercise my body, but also exercise my mind by going over my goals in the morning, by meditating, right? By reviewing who it is that I am and where I want to be. There's nothing wrong with enjoying life, but why not do the things that are going to make sure that you consistently stay on the path to be able to enjoy it. That's it, folks. I'm out, and I will see you in the next one. Post in the comments. Check that out. Boom. You see that rainbow back there? Doesn't get any better. I can understand that.